You have no idea how good eggs can actually taste. Watch this. Slice your tomatoes into rings. I'm using cherry tomatoes, but any kind works. Add a tablespoon of oil to a hot pan. And lay the tomatoes right in. Season them with whatever you love. Salt, pepper, your favorite spices. Give them a minute to get a little color and release that aroma. Crack 4 eggs into a bowl and whisk them up. Chop some green onions, throw them into the eggs, and mix again. Now pour everything over the tomatoes in the pan. They should already be sizzling. Cover with a lid and let it set. Then add cheese. Sprinkle it on top, cover again, and let it melt completely. Slide it onto a plate, and that's it. Eggs so good you'll wonder why you ever made them any other way.